Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, Newbie Money again. For you guys that are new to the channel, I am a new day trader who is trying to become a profitable day trader, and I'm just documenting the whole process and just kind of seeing, what it takes, all the fun stuff, all the emotions and all the struggle and the pain that comes with, But anyways, today was a quick $100, $99 day. I wasn't really planning on trading today because today's Christmas Eve and the market was going to close at 1 o'clock. So, and from what I've been hearing around from checking out stock tweets and the different Discord groups, they've been kind of warning people to watch out. The volume's going to dry out, or the price action is not very predictable. So I was trying to take that to heart, but when I woke up this morning, I told myself I'm only going to trade if something really sets up, and I was going to do FRSX because it was extremely overextended on the daily. I was like, wow, that looks really good. But when I woke up 1 hour before the market, I noticed that it was really, like, the pre-market was down already like 10%. So I was like, that's not what I like to see. I like it to actually gap up like 5 or 10%, then I could short it there. So I just went back to sleep saying like, you know what, like, I'm not really gonna trade today. Then I saw FUBO. Let's see, FUBO. And I saw this thing tanking over here. And it went all the way down to like 45.80, but I was looking at my phone, and for some reason there was, I think, a lag, like a 15-minute lag. Then I was like, oh, this is a good time to enter. So I'm like rushing to the computer. Then I was like, I should probably just buy on the phone while the computer boots up. Then I buy. Then I noticed that I bought at 47.50 or something crazy like that, but around here. Then I bought 200 shares of that. Then when I booted the computer, I noticed that the software for TradeZero Pro was glitching too. So I was like, what the heck's going on? Then I was like, why is it $47 already? I thought it was at 45. And I just like quickly got out. And yeah, it was kind of scary, to be honest. First, my platform shouldn't glitch like that. Like, I really do like TradeZero. I really do like what they offer and all that good stuff. But I have been seeing a bit of this weird stuff once in a while. Like, your account balance updates super slow, but I'm okay with that. But my P&L sometimes is completely wacky. Like, it would tell me I'm down $60, but I'm actually up 500, or it will tell me I'm up $200, but I'm down like $300. Like, and that's happened twice. And this chart not being able to, I had to use their online web app. So their pro version, their charts wasn't working at all. Like, it was just one big candle. It was basically just like letting you trade with the daily candle only, but right behind it was all the minute candles. So it was really weird. So that's something I gotta definitely keep in mind. I know this is one of the smaller brokers, and I have to use them for the leverage and the short locates that they have, but I have to consider that once if I grow my account to $25,000, which I only have $7 grand on the account right now. If I grow to $25,000, I might choose to go to a different broker. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I bought. So when this happened, I bought it and got out. So I was just the whole time just like, why did I trade? That was just very impulsive of me. That was almost like gambler personality, very impulsive, like. And I saw this huge drop, and I was like, you know what, this might be my chance to get out from the red I had for the $42 loss from selling this. And I bought this dip, and it went all the way honest God, it didn't even go that much up. As soon as I got $100 on my P&L, I got out. I left it, and it went higher. And this dip I was gonna buy, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be extremely selective or selfish with my entry. So, and I put it, I think, probably 50 cents lower than the bottom of this candle, and it didn't get filled. So I said, whatever, screw it. And I called it a day. So I didn't touch it and left it. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I was able to end the day with $100, even though I was very impulsive in the beginning. And I think what really helped with that is, as soon as I saw that loss of $43, I said, why did you lose that money? I lost that money because first of all, I entered the trade without even looking at the charts. I was so impulsive. It was very gambly personality. Then I saw the platform was having issues. So I was like, okay, so you lost $42 with all of that. It's not a good time to trade, you know, and you trying to go back, trying to gain back that money, it just doesn't make sense. But it's like some weird human instinct that we have. I don't know if it's like an evolutionary instinct that got built in us for millions of years, where if you lose some resource or something, you want to double down and be like, no, fuck that shit, I want that back, you know. I don't know, but it's a very common thing that a lot of traders do, you know. So I just had to really kind of break that down and be like, hey, just Christmas Eve, you only lost $42. It's not that big of a deal. You can go back right now and do more impulsive trades and have a higher chance of losing money, and that's going to really actually probably ruin your Christmas. So, and I just kind of left it. And the whole time I was thinking like that, then I saw this opportunity. So when I saw this opportunity, I was like, you know what? I think I've already had this talk with myself. I've mentally cleared that impulsive habit I had in the morning, and I'm actually looking at a very good possible setup on the chart. So I saw the dip, I bought it, got it was $150 realized, and it took me to be only $100 up for the day. So I was like, okay, that's fine, and I just left it at that point. You know, I was still kind of looking at this. I was gonna buy that dip, like I said, but it didn't work out, and yeah, I left it. I think it's very important to get your mental footing with the stock secured first. You know, you don't need to trade every day, guys. And if you are gonna trade every day, just do it with just small amount of shares. I can't really stress that, because that's what really helped me. Because when I was doing that, and first of all, I wasn't stressed out because I only have such a small portion of my account, and second of all, I live another day, and I live many days to see how the market reacts, so I can collect a lot of the data from the market. And yeah, and third is you really gain the confidence after that, you know, because you know you have methods to secure your emotions. You already have exposure with the market, and you have a good way of collecting that data. Then your confidence slowly builds after that, you know. And from there, you just, you know, you do your best, and hopefully I could become actually a profitable day trader and become one of those people that are really successful with it, right? But yeah, we'll have to see. It's too early to say. Before I go though, this is looking like a really good buy on Monday for a dip buy. So this is down, it hit it down of 40.52 in pre-market. This is the daily chart. It's a few data that I've collected where when candles like this when you see this huge drop, so I think this is I think like a 33% drop in 2 days. So that's really good. So if Monday morning this thing opens up being like $40-50 price, then it goes all the way down to 38.50 or 38, I'm gonna absolutely buy a shit ton of that dip, because that's gonna make it extremely overextended. And also keep in mind that you want to look at the volume. You want volume to be pretty good too. So when I see that bounce back up, I'm going to be looking at the volume, and hopefully it's going to be higher than this volume candlestick. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy your holiday. and we'll get back at it for the new year. I'm so excited for the new year. I have so much plan I want to do. I think I'm gonna take this day trading extremely serious. Like, I have been taking it seriously already, but I think I'm really gonna just hammer down like 12 hours, 14 hours days, and just try to learn as much as I can. Like, you know, I'm young. I only have one time right now where I don't have that much commitment. I'm not going to be employed for the next 2, possibly 4 months, but luckily with my job, I still get paid. So it's weird. So I have zero financial stress. This money I have in here is not even part of my savings or anything. Like, if I lose it, I would be, upset, of course, but it's not going to ruin me by any means. So I'm in a very good incubation area right now to actually become a profitable day trader. So I'm going to take advantage of that by just going ham on the new year. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay, enjoy your holiday and have fun.